In this video, I will show you how to set up an Instagram business account. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so others can find it as well. Okay, so obviously the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram and you're gonna select your profile picture. You're gonna find it right here at the bottom right. After you are inside your profile picture, what you're gonna do is select Edit Profile, and then these are the options that you're going to see. At the bottom, we're gonna find Switch to Professional Account. Go ahead and select that. And of course, this is going to tell you what tools and what things you are going to gain access to whenever you switch to professional account or business account. So of course, you're gonna have better access to your insights, meaning that you're able to see how your content overall is performing. You can also run ads, which can also increase your performance on Instagram and drive brand awareness and sales in case you are a brand. And you can also monetize Instagram. So you can get paid and earn money with different things like subscriptions or bonuses. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on next. And now here you need to select what describes you or your business. So we have several different industries. So just go ahead and select the one that works best. And now all you have to do is to tap on Switch to Professional Account. Keep in mind that once you switch to business account, your profile and every single content that you have on your Instagram account will become public, meaning that anyone will be able to find your post, your reels, or whatever it is that you're sharing on Instagram. So if you are okay with that, simply tap on OK. It can take up to 30 seconds to finish up creating your professional account. And now here you need to select what type of professional are you. So you can be a creator or a business. So now we're going to select business since we are creating a business account. Select next. And now if you wish to, you can also edit your contact information, meaning your phone number. If you have a business address, you can add it, your phone number, and any other information that Instagram has on you. Once you're done, you can simply tap on next. If you wish to connect to your Facebook page, go ahead and log into Facebook. If not, simply skip. And now Meta is going to show you 8 different steps that you can complete to set up completely your professional account. So now your account is officially a business account. You can simply close this out, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.